The door is still knocking. Revelation 3:20. Family, let me ask you a real question. Have you ever ignored a knock on the door? You heard it, but you stayed quiet. Maybe you were busy. Maybe you just didn't feel like answering. Now listen to this. Revelation 3:20 says, "Behold, I stand at the door and knock." That means Jesus is knocking on your heart right now, not kicking the door down, not forcing his way in, but gently knocking. The question is why. The reason why is because he wants a relationship with you and me. He says, "If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come in." That's the promise. Not just blessings, not just help, but his presence. He wants to sit with you, walk with you, change you, and restore you. But here's the truth. The hand is on your side of the door. Jesus knocks, but you must open. And how do we open? By listening when he speaks, by surrendering what we know is wrong, by choosing him daily, even when it's hard. See, according to Ellen G. White, the heart that welcomes Christ becomes a place where heaven lives. So today, don't ignore the knock. Don't say later. Don't say when I'm ready, because every knock is mercy. Every knock is love. Every knock is Jesus saying, "I want you." So the question is simple. Will you open the door? God bless.